Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best wire cutters on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Hakko CHP 170 Micro Cutter. Hakko is known to produce premium quality soldering and desoldering tools. This micro cutter has an angled cutting head that will let you cut wires with ease. The precise 21 degrees angle head makes the cutter ideal to work on terminal wires up to 16 gauge. This cutter works well in cutting, crimping, and modifying small wires, concealed connections, and jewelry. This hand device is perfect to maneuver and to reach tight and closed spaces. The heat-primed carbon material makes the tool durable and tough, which allows it to cut cables with ease. Moreover, robust jaw and razor-sharp qualities with an attached spring make the use seamless and comfortable. Parkerized alloy in the manufacturing process prevents corrosion and increases resistance. Pros: it is marked with parkerized metal. It is comfortable and easy to grip. Cons: does not have a locking mechanism. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dowell 1022 AWG Wire Stripper Cutter. This wire cutter never disappoints. The best feature of this tool is its ergonomic and seamless handle. The comfortable design reduces hand fatigue during usage. The unique rubber coating in the handle prevents accidental slippage from the hand. The operation of the stripper is facilitated by the spring feature. This feature also reduces repetitive hand movement, which decreases hand and wrist discomfort. The tactile response to each squeeze can be also adjusted depending on the wire. It is suitable for multiple AWG wires and cable gauge widths ranging from 10 to 22. It can be used in stranded and solid copper wire and also to strip the cable insulation, which allows you to connect and repair the electrical connections. The locking mechanism increases safety and also prevents damage when the jaw is not in use. Pros: the handle is comfortable to hold for regular use. Stainless steel material and thermoplastic rubber handle make it durable. Cons: might seem dull compared to other wire cutters. Number 3. Our third best pick is AWG 170 Wire Cutters. This is one of the most reliable products among wire cutters. The carbon metal jaw with the angled cutter head makes it accurate in cutting wires. The intense heat treatment on the jaw makes the product durable and tough. The 11mm cutting head makes it great for conducting jewelry work, electrical handiwork, and other usages. Moreover, the minute head model makes it cut wires easily in one snip. The product works well in closed and tight spaces. The compactness allows easy usage in cramped spaces as well. The small project assembly draws attention to this product. The tool possesses a soft and comfortable grip that works in the tool's favor. The TPE material is easy to handle and does not make it flimsy. The comfortable grip is also enhanced by environment-friendly and non-toxic material. Pros: is suitable for cramped or small spaces. Made with an angle head. Cons: not suitable for big wire gauges. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Klein Tools 11055 Wire Cutter. Another amazing product by Klein Tools with this high-quality wire stripper. The distinct serrated nose can easily slit, shape, and bend cables. The precision ground stripping holes contraption installed in the tool can remove the cable insulation precisely. Additionally, the cutter's nose also has discernible and distinct markings which guide the cable cutter easily. The amateur wire cutters can aid from the markings. The stripper can cut 10 to 18 gauge solid cables and also 12 to 20 gauge stranded wires. This is a versatile and compatible tool and is dependable for cutting wires. The built-in spring allows the user to handle the tool easily. It also helps to keep the maul while operating. This also allows the product to reduce hand fatigue. The double-dipped grip design makes it comfortable for the hands. The stripper also features a curved handle, making the usage less strenuous and less difficult. Pros: the markings make it compatible with a variety of gauges. Has a comfortable grip design. Cons: the lock mechanism dysfunctions at times. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is BOENFU wire flush cutters. This device looks a bit old-fashioned and basic, but do not judge a book by its cover. The tool can shear, cut, and nip any wires, like chains, cables, and tiger tails. The rugged steel material of the wire mesh cutter can cut through any wires even up to 1.8 mm thickness. The tool is compatible with all kinds of cables. The steel material of the tool is reinforced with the inclusion of molybdenum, vanadium, and chrome. This increases the device's ability to mend almost all kinds of wires. The tool does not deteriorate or rust easily in quality. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and prevents weariness of the cutter. The unique gripping technology infused in the handle prevents accidental slippage due to sweat. This tool is regarded as one of the best spring wire cutters in the market. The pivot point of the blade is built with the spring to make the wiring tasks easy. If you have any issue with the tool, then you can easily contact the manufacturer. Pros: it cut through a wide range of wires. Provides excellent customer service. Cons: does not have a locking feature. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.